Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now I will explain some importance information about the M Foundation released on 23rd of December. Okay, what is that one? This is the 23rd of December. They are released the poll. You can read and from this website you can go to the website M dot Foundation homepage. Okay, this is the whatever it will be, the poll is there. You want to all UFMs, you want to read the webinar. Okay, and according to that you can vote per polls. Okay, for that you want to use the Parnam website, parnam.com. This is the our Parnam's. Okay, parnam.com. Okay, here you will go to the same whatever it will be there, login. After the logins you have to, I have login to this our application, Parnam applications, and sorry for the website. Okay, whatever the Parnam number is there, enter that one. And after entering the pin you want to go to the enter, click on the enter. You will get directly to the home page of Parnam. After the home page of Parnams you will get the in poll directions. Okay, 23rd December's polls. Okay, this one is there. For this one you have to click, you have to click click the M Foundation, that one. Okay, after clicking that one you can read this some road of follow, and after that you can go downward and you can check this all the things whatever it will be there, webinar. Okay, read that all the things whatever showing that one, and according to that complete your polls. Okay, go to that one, read all the informations showing that one. Okay, and after that click on the poll. Okay, click on the polls. Okay, and this is the questions. Shall we change the display of AM from 1 billion AM to 1 billion? Yes. Shall we request control over the main AM wallet from Unicorn Network? Yes. Shall we display the current supply of the AM without the AM from the main AM wallet? Yes. Shall we determine the value of AM through all algorithm? Yes. Shall be listed at coin market. This is most important, very well about that. They want to publish in coin market. Okay, we need that one. Because of that one our coins and all the things, it will be exposed to the world. Okay, and sixth one is shall the M chain open the third party payroll? Yes, we want that one. Shall the M exchange open the third party? Yes. Okay, shall there will be second wallet beside the Parnam wallet which is open for the third party payroll? Yes, this will be okay. Shall the current website WWM Foundation be upgraded? Yes, we want. Shall be social media team is established? Yes, we need that one. Shall there will be M supporter club for those? Yes. These all the things we need, all the things for the publishing the our coins to the coin market. Okay, these all we need to expose in this all the things in 2022. Okay, hope all your understand this company's concepts, and we will forward, and we hope for the all the peoples to be part in the Parnam coin marketing in upcomings. Okay, so I am submitting this one. Okay, after they want submit cannot be changed, this will be the okay, your vote is submitted. Okay, these all the information we have to poll for that one. Okay, hope we will get result in 2022, and we are excited about this. And after coming in coin market we will I don't have a word for this one. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, welcome, and thank you for this wonderful information from the M Foundations, and it will be the better for us. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.